Vanakkam and hi to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. This video I'm going to show you how to style without border Kanjivaram silk sarees. So without border Kanjivaram silk sarees are a fantastic fashion statement, and if you're looking for sarees without much grandeur but very simple and sophisticated look, then we got you covered. So these collections are available online and you can shop these collections from our website www.cliosilks.com, and if you wish to check out more collection, you can drop into our store which is located at Alwapet, which is just 5 minutes away from T Nagar. And if you'd like to see more collection through video call, our salesperson would get in touch with you virtually. The saree which I am wearing, it's a simple, a very minimalistic pattern Muppagam saree. It has 3 parts woven in 3 different colors, whereas the upper part has a light mandular green, and the middle part has a mustard, and the lower part has a maroon. So the pallu as such is a very simple temple zari pallu. For this kind of a saree, I have gone with a completely beautiful bottle green brocade blouse. So for sarees simple like these Kanjivaram silks, you can play with different kinds of brocade blouses. So talking about this saree, there is another shade, and there are a lot of shades available in this Muppagam. The saree which I am wearing, it is quite earthy shades, but this saree is a pastel Muppagam. Where it has peach, orange and lotus pink woven in 3 different parts. And again, the pallu is a very simple temple zari pallu. For this kind of a saree, you can play with a lot of brocade blouses which will really go well with the saree. A perfect saree for an intimate wedding is this aerospace orange without border Kanjivaram silk. So look at the saree. The saree as such is so beautiful, but the pattern woven to it is very unique. So it has a polka designed motif which comes on the shoulder as well as on the pleats. So it has a very cyclic pattern to it. But when you look at the pallu has a very elaborate brocade zari pallu. So this kind of a saree, you can just go with a very statement earrings, whereas the whole saree has a little tinge of silver and gold zari to it. So I would say you can stick with a monotone shade of an orange blouse with a beautiful earring to keep the look understated. So adding this grey to your wardrobe is a very intelligent choice. Because the saree is a monotone grey with gold. The whole saree has a meenakari motifs woven throughout the saree, and it has a rich gold brocade blouse. So you can stick with a different shades of beige or grey and ikat or banaras will be fantastic with this. A very gorgeous sapphire blue silk saree. And this is a silk saree with a contrast pallu. When you look at the pallu, it has this vibrant pink brocade pallu, whereas the body has this very beautiful meenakari work boxes which is woven throughout the saree. So this kind of a saree, you can go with a very vibrant silk cotton top, because since the saree is without border and has a very muted zari work to it, with this silk cotton top or any beautiful textured layer top, it looks very classy. So you might think that wearing a monotone saree would be very dull or boring, but when you really style it with a very superb accessories, the look is gonna be really trendy and different. So this saree as such, it has a very simple monotone with a simple design, whereas the pallu has an elaborate brocade design, whereas the body has this very cute stars woven in panel designs, and the lower end of the sari has a very beautiful ornate design to it. So this sari, it will be really beautiful when you carry a very vibrant clutch or a handbag to it, because the sari is pink. You can go with a navy blue blouse, and then you can carry on with a multicolored a wallet or a bag. It will look really classy. This is a very pretty golden yellow. Whereas the sari design is a very minimalistic pattern and the zari is kept to a very minimum. Whereas the motifs, which is woven in an antique thread and zari woven motifs in green and pink. When you look at the pallu has a totally contrast antique zari navy blue pallu, which is so beautiful and is so contrasting. So for this kind of a sari, you can keep the makeup look very minimal. So just add a pop of lipstick, and then for this kind of a sari, you can go with a very vibrant clutch or go with a nude footwear, and this look is complete. So navy blue is one of the trending colors of 2021. So you can choose these saris based on your skin tone and how you want to style it. So for saris which are without borders and has a very minimalistic pattern, so this sari has a monotone, but the design to it is a very antique zari and quite contrast. So the overall look of the sari is so beautiful. Only the pallu and the blouse is designed in peach brocade, but the sari design has meenakari square checks woven in green zari. So this kind of a sari, when you just style it with an overlaying overcoat so that it blends well, it looks very classy. So French rose is another exciting pastel color. So these colors is a definite must-have in your wardrobe. So look at the sari has a beautifully woven paisley design throughout the sari. So this sari has a very beautiful meenakari motifs woven throughout the sari. It has a contrast turquoise woven brocade pallu, and the blouse is a contrast one. So these kind of sari, it's you should just close your eyes and you should get it, and you can just keep it in your wardrobe, because these saris are seasonal. You can wear it for any season, for functions or any formal events, and this is your go-to sari. Your wardrobe can never be complete with a beige or a earthy tone to it. So this is a sandcastle beige, and this is a without border sari with a beautiful paisley design, again woven in zari and thread patterns woven alternatively. So the pallu is a very self-muted zari pallu, whereas the body of the sari has woven in a multi-thread in pinkish red and in gold zari. So this kind of a sari, you shouldn't play with too many colors, because the sari as such is a gorgeous color. You can stick with a monotone blouse, but you can add up, you can spruce up the look by going for a headgear or a nice jewelry to it. The look will be complete. So if you like our videos, kindly like and share our videos. So if you have any question, kindly post in the comment section. If you like our videos and like to be notified about it, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can shop all of our collections and the collection shown in the video from our website www.cleosilks.com, where we would be adding collections every day. We have a very safe and secure payment gateway. You can either pay through debit card, credit card, net banking and PayPal. So if you'd like to see more collections, you can also contact us through WhatsApp +919962677777. Our sales staff would attend to you personally. So we do free shipping within India and we do ship worldwide. For orders above $400, we do free international shipping, and we have a hassle-free 10-day return policy. We are located in the prime locality at Alvapet, which is 5 minutes from T Nagar. We are working on all days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have ample car parking space right in front of our store. We do same-day delivery within Chennai, and we offer complimentary sari fall and pico.